Short rib lollipops, let's do it. Remove your silver skin. Remove your membrane with a paper towel. Slice down the bone into individual ribs. Remove your meat off the bone. French up your bone. Hot sauce as a binder. Season with salt, pepper, garlic. Roll around the rib bone and twine it nice and tight. One final seasoning. Transfer to the smoker at 125 degrees Celsius. After 3 hours, remove. Wrap tightly in foil and back in the smoker. 3 hours later, they're probing tender. After a 30-minute rest, let's have a look. Time to check for tenderness. How's this for tenderness?